Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix this error. So what this means is your hard drive is set up in an older partitioning scheme called MBR, and Windows 11 needs a newer partitioning scheme called GPT. So you need to convert from MBR to GPT. So lucky we can get to the command line from within this installation window by pressing Shift F10. Right, once you press Shift F10, it brings up the command line. Then you can type in Diskpart, which is a utility that you can use to partition your hard drive. And then once you're in Diskpart, just type in list disk. It will list all your disk on your computer. Select the disk that you want to format and install Windows 2. So if it's disk 0, just type in select disk 0. Right. And then you can type in clean. This will clean the disk completely. So make sure you don't have stuff on there that you want to save. And then you can type in convert GPT, and this will convert the disk from MBR to GPT. And you can just exit. Exit this part, close the command line window, and then yeah, say OK. Select the drive that you want to install, Windows 2. Say new to actually just format it again and set it up, and then you can click next, and it will start installing Windows. Yeah, that's it.